Ever grappled with financial struggles? We've all thought about escaping debt's grasp. The universal dream? Being debt-free. It seems distant, almost unreal. But what if there's an answer, a solution right under your nose? What if it's in the mundane paperwork you complete every year? Yes, your income tax return. Hard to believe, but it's true. When used wisely, your tax return can be a game changer. An income tax return, when used wisely, can be a powerful tool to pay off debt and prepay bills. Now, let's talk about how you can maximize your tax return. With a bit of strategic planning, the process need not be daunting. Fear not, we're here to accompany you throughout this journey. To begin with, one crucial step is ensuring you're not overlooking any possible deductions. Make a claim for all tax deductions and credits you're eligible for. This could encompass a wide range of expenses, from medical bills, the interest on your student loans, to even the costs you bear to maintain a home office if your job mandates working from home. This initial step could vastly increase your tax return. Next, ponder seriously about contributing to your retirement fund. Not only does this secure a financially stable future, but it also reduces your taxable income. This reduction in your taxable income, in turn, amplifies your tax return. It's a win-win situation. You're nurturing a nest egg for your golden years and simultaneously escalating your tax return. Thirdly, reflect upon the benefits of charitable donations. These donations to charity are tax-deductible. Hence, the more generous you are, the more significant the benefits in your tax return. Moreover, it's not merely about monetary contributions. Donations in kind, and even mileage driven for charity work can be deducted. Lastly, it would be wise to contemplate hiring a tax professional. The labyrinthine world of taxes can be a formidable challenge. A proficient tax professional can be your compass, guiding you towards your ultimate goal, maximizing your tax return. Their vast knowledge of the myriad laws and regulations can help you identify deductions and credits you might have overlooked. In a nutshell, these tips, when followed diligently, could potentially boost your tax return. This increase could enable you to clear outstanding debts and prepay bills sooner. Every little penny saved is a step closer to attaining financial freedom. Remember, every little bit counts when it comes to financial freedom. But how does one go about this, you might wonder? This is a common question many people ask themselves when they receive their tax return. Don't fret though, because we're about to embark on a detailed exploration into the structured process of using your income tax return to pay off debt and prepay bills. Our journey starts at step 1, prioritizing your debts. This is a crucial step that involves identifying which of your debts are most urgent and which ones have the highest interest rates. This can be daunting, but it's a necessary step in managing your finances effectively. Paying off these debts first can save you an impressive amount of money over time, money that can be spent on the essentials in your life. Moving on to step 2, we suggest that you allocate a portion of your tax return towards these high-priority debts. This is a strategic move. By channeling some of your tax return to these debts, you're efficiently reducing the amount of money you owe. Moreover, you're also diminishing the interest that accrues on these debts, further saving you money in the long term. Then, we arrive at step 3. If you're fortunate enough to have some funds left over after paying off your high-priority debts, consider prepaying your bills. This could include your rent or mortgage, your utilities, insurance premiums, or even your internet bill. Prepaying these bills can provide you with a buffer, giving you peace of mind knowing you're ahead on your payments. It allows you to focus on other aspects of your financial health, without the constant worry of upcoming bills. Finally, we reach step 4. If you find yourself in a position where you still have some funds left over, consider directing this into a savings account or an emergency fund. This can provide you with a financial safety net, protecting you in case of sudden expenses or emergencies. It's a prudent decision that you'll thank yourself for in the future. But how does one go about this, you might wonder? Well, worry not, because we're about to delve into the step-by-step process of using an income tax return to pay off debt and prepay bills. So, there you have it. A thorough guide to harnessing your income tax return to eliminate debt and prepay expenses. By organizing your debt in order of importance and dedicating a part of your tax return towards it, you can make substantial progress in your journey to financial liberty. Today, we've delved into how your income tax return can be a potent device for debt reduction and bill prepayment. We've detailed the process of ranking your debts, applying your tax return to clear these debts, and advance payment of your bills. It's through these measures that you can morph your income tax return from an ordinary financial paper into a commanding tool for fiscal freedom. The road to financial freedom is akin to a long-distance race, not a short run. It demands endurance, self-discipline, and an elaborate strategy. However, having your income tax return as a weapon, you're setting the right foot towards this aspiration. It's essential to remember that each step you take, each debt you clear, brings you closer to your goal of a life free from the shackles of debt. Keep in using your tax return wisely can significantly impact your financial health. Navigating the realm of personal finance can be intimidating, but armed with the right tools and knowledge, you can conquer this path. One of those tools is your income tax return. Deploying it to pay off your debts and prepay your bills is one of the most resourceful ways to achieve financial stability. So, gear up and take that first step towards a debt-free